morning, students. Hello, how are you? I think you are doing good at home. Students, I want to discuss in front of you with the topic noun. As you know, all naming words are called noun. So, students, I want to describe today singular and plural noun. Okay, as you know well, students, countable nouns can be one or many. When we are speaking about one thing, we use the singular forms of the noun. So, my dear students, when we are speaking about many things, we use the plural form of the noun. Students, we need to follow certain rules while changing the singular noun to their plural forms. Study the rules given below carefully. So, look at the picture. We see, I think so, she is girl. So, only one girl, so we can say that girl is a singular noun. But so many girls appear here, we can say that girls is a plural noun. Next one, mango. Only one mango are there. Look, only one mango. So we can say singular noun. So many mangoes appear. More than 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say plural forms of the noun. Students, another example, bag. Only one bags are there. Only one bag are there. So we can say bag is singular noun. But so many bags appear here. We can say that so many bags. Bags, that means plural form of the noun. Look at the picture. Shirt. This is shirt, either t-shirt. Only one shirt, either t-shirt, we can say singular noun. If so many shirts, either t-shirts are there, we can say plural noun. So my dear students, look again. Only one cup. Only one cup are there. So we can say this is singular noun. If so many cups appear, we can say this is plural forms of the noun. Students, look, this is only one tree. So we can say singular noun. If so many trees are there, we can say plural form of the noun. Students, look carefully. What is this? Think more. I think this is fox. You know, this is fox. Only one fox are there. So we can say this is singular noun. If so many fox appear, what we can say? So many fox, 2 more than 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. We can say plural forms of the noun. Understood well? Students, let us discuss about, look picture, only one watch. Watch means ghadi. Only one watch are there, so we can say singular form of the noun. If so many watches appears in front of you, look you, so we can say plural form of the noun. Students, the plural forms of most words is made by adding the letters as to the words as in. Look, G-I-R-L, girl. Girl is singular noun. And G-I-R-L-S, girls. Girls is the plural forms of the noun. You know better. Students, please watch carefully. So, next, another examples. Apple. Only one apple, we can say singular noun if appear APPLES, apples. Apples is the plural forms of the noun. Students, next another example, BAG, bag. Bag means only one bag, so we can say bag is the singular forms of the noun. Another, bag become bags in the plural forms, BAGS, bags. So many bags, so we can say bags is the plural form of the noun. Another example, CUP, cup, only one cup. Now cup becomes cups, CUPS, cups. Cups means so many cups, so cup is the singular and cups is the plural form of the noun. Another, DOG, dog. Dog is singular noun, but dogs is the plural forms of the noun, DOGS, dogs. SHIRT, shirt. Shirt is the singular form of the noun and shirt becomes shirts, SHIRTS, shirts. Shirts is the plural forms of the noun, because earlier I said the plural form most words is made by adding the letter S to the words hygiene. All the letters adding S becomes plural. Students, noun that ends with S, X, CH. Again, noun that end with S, X and CH. Suppose S, X, CH become, add ES, any types of noun end with S, X and CH. When we change as in plural, we add ES. Let us example, BUS, bus, only one bus and end with S, so become BUSES, buses. Buses means so many buses as in plural forms. Another example, FOX, fox, end with X and change with ES, FOX, ES, foxes. GAS, gas, gas become gases, GAS, ES. Students, read carefully and think carefully. Suppose BRANCH, branch, only one branch, branch means tiny, branch become branches, BRANCHES. You know branches, branches means so many branches, बहुत सारे टहनियाँ हैं plural forms के लिए. Next, watch, 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 only one watch, so we can say this is singular form of the noun. Watches, 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 so we can say watches is the plural form of the noun. Students, now look at the example. Suppose noun that end with O, we add ES in the end hygiene. Look, O changes with ES. Example, suppose TOMATO, look, end with O, and when we changes in plural forms, we add ES, TOMATOES, tomatoes. So my dear students, another example, HERO, hero, hero become heroes, hero end with O and we add ES end with in the plural form, HEROES, heroes. Next, another, ZERO, zero, zero becomes zeros, look, ZEROES, zeros, so many zeros, so we can say ZEROES. Another example, MANGO, mango, end with O and when becomes mangoes, adding ES, MANGOES, mangoes. So mangoes is the plural form and mango is the singular form, you know better. Students, noun that ends with F or FE, look, F or FE, F and FE become changes in plural forms, add VES. Example, suppose CALF, calf, bachda. Calf becomes calves, CALVES, calves. That means we add VES instead of F. You know. Another example, WOLF, wolf, end with F and we changes WOLVES, wolves. So many wolves are there, so we can say wolves. Another example, KNIFE, knife, chaku, and end with FE, we add VES, KNIVES, knives. So बहुत सारे चाकू हो गए, knives. Another example, WIFE, wife, only one wife. If add VES, WIVES, wives. So my dear students, look another example, LEAF, leaf, only one leaf, and leaf become leaves, LEAVES, leaves. Students, some words do not follow any of the above rules, as in कुछ ऐसे words हैं जो किसी rules को follow नहीं करते हैं. Let us see. Suppose FOOT, foot means पैर. FEET, feet means दो पैर, many. GOOSE, goose become geese, ox become oxen, child become children, mouse become mice. Look and read carefully. Foot become feet, goose geese, ox oxen, child children, mouse mice. You know better? So students, some nouns which do not changes their spellings in their plural forms as in, कुछ ऐसे nouns हैं जो स्पेलिंग भी चेंज नहीं करते हैं बट हम उसे सिंगुलर की जगह भी लगाते हैं और प्लूरल की जगह भी लगाते हैं, सच एज फिश, FIS, such fish. Fish is used as in singular form and fish also used as in plural forms. Next, deer. Deer is also singular and plural we use. Sheep, sheep also singular and plural we use. Furniture, furniture also used in singular forms and plural forms. These spellings do not changes their spellings in their plural forms as in. So students, today thank you. I want to describe next classes. Thank you. Have a nice day.